Here's how to connect Higgsfield to Claude AI using a custom MCP connector. Open Claude Desktop and go to the navigation menu, then Customize. Select Connectors on the left side and click the plus icon. Choose Add Custom Connector. In the Name field, enter Higgsfield MCP or any name you prefer. Open a new browser tab and go to the Higgsfield MCP page. Look for the MCP server URL provided specifically for Claude connections. Copy it. Return to Claude and paste the URL into the connector configuration field. Review the details, then click Add Connector. Once added, you will see a Connect button next to the connector. Click it and follow the authorization steps. You will likely be asked to sign into your Higgsfield account and approve the requested permissions. Complete this process fully before closing anything. After authorization, Claude will confirm the connection is active with a status indicator. You can now use Higgsfield features directly through Claude by requesting actions that require it in your conversation. If the connection fails, the most common cause is an incorrect or expired MCP URL. Return to the Higgsfield MCP page and confirm you are using the current URL. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.